I'm the spark that lights the dark and shouts on we but our part 1994 and the world feels blind. The time of war returns, the clock unwinds. From the depths of space, a terror reigns. Unicron devourer leads only remains. Finally the maximals to Earth's embrace, as we Autobots race to save this place. But no human knew the weight of this fight till Noah stood in Mirage's light. And with the heart of steel, though made of flesh, he joined our race to face the thresh. Madly getting in the eye of the storm, where legends are born and worlds are torn. Every left, the fight draws near. Autobots rise despite the fear. That beginning will stand tall till the final fall. Eternal battle we thought was won, but ancient powers had just begun. Elena's hands, a weight draws near. Autobots rise despite the fear. That beginning will stand tall till the final fall. Eternal battle we thought was won, but ancient powers have just begun. Elena's hands awaken fate, a relic that opens heaven's gate. Both Autobots and Dubbin's crave the secrets it holds, a path it paves. But humanity's key when the end is near. Even in chaos we persevere. On the line, no more hiding. Reach the storms, look defiant. Makes no far, but you gonna walk fire in the dark of day and the cold of night. That beginning in the eye of the storm, where nights are war and worlds are torn. Every breath, the fight draws near. All the spots rise despite the fear. That beginning will stand tall till the final fall. I am Optimus, this is my crew. We fight for freedom in word and deed. For Earth, beside the crop, we give our all. Against Unicron's hunger, we will not fall. The game of war has begun, but with courage we'll stand as one. From the ashes of battle, will ignite, and the dawn will rise after the darkest night. At the beginning of the story, far from its end. Go with courage or stand as one. From the ashes of battle, hope will ignite, and the dawn will rise after the darkest.